Hi, welcome to your 12-minute Tabata HIIT cardio workout. I'm super excited because this is a sweaty one that's gonna get your heart rate up right away. I'm gonna keep time for us. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and let's get into the workout. Okay, we're starting with a bang. Right in the beginning, we're gonna start with lunge jumps. So we're gonna do 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and 2 exercises, 2 rounds. But honestly, you don't even have to know any of that. Just follow along. Let's have some fun. I'm gonna keep time for us, okay? And then we're gonna start with lunge jumps. Here we go. Set yourself up here, and we're gonna switch jump, just like this. Hop it in. Join me now if you haven't yet. Let's go, let's go. So these are short bursts, 20 seconds. That means that you're gonna go as hard as you can for those 20 seconds, okay? I don't want you to hold anything back. Whew. 3, 2, 1, and good. 10-second break. So then we're going to do our next exercise, which is our tricep dips here. So you're gonna do a tricep dip, touch, tricep dip, up. Ready? Let's go. Down, up, up. So after this exercise, we're gonna go back to the lunge jump, all right? So go back to that lunge jump, and then we're gonna do the tricep dips again. So you got one more shot to give it your all on this exercise. I'm already starting to get breathless. Woo. And rest. 10 seconds, stand on up. And then we're gonna do our lunge jumps. This is a good one just to get moving. You only got 10 minutes maybe in the day. This is a great workout to just squeeze in, get your body moving, get your blood flowing. Remembering to always take care of your body. 10, 12 minutes is definitely better than 0, right? Whew. If you need to modify, just go ahead and step instead of doing the jumps. Whew. Okay, tricep dips, here we go. And then we've got a fun one coming up after this. And get yourself ready. Begin, down, and up. Remember to squeeze the elbows together as you lower down. Fingertips face towards your butt. Chest is tall and proud. Really lift your chest up as you come up towards your toes. Down, up. All right, I'm gonna show you our next one. As you take a break, you're gonna roll back, come all the way up, and jump, okay? Nice and fun. Okay, let's go. Woo. Keep the knees in towards your chest as you roll back. Maybe you've never done this before, but just try to have some fun. It's okay if you look silly or just feel silly. Whew. I think it's pretty fun. All right, a little breather. And then we've got our Superman to plank. So you're gonna lower all the way down, lift up, and then high plank. Let's go. Down, lift, and up. You can always put the knees down right here. Good modification for you. Whew. Keep your breath steady. So nice deep breaths in and out through the nose. Full body workout right here. Okay, get yourself ready. Let's do our roll like a ball again. Super fun. Try to smile, it makes it way better. Let's go. Jump as high as you can. I want you to explode all the way at the top. Explode, go really high. Reach those arms up. 3, 2. Oh, okay, let's come down, get ready. Catch your breath. Deep inhale in through your nose, exhale, let's go. Nice strong back right here. Working the posterior chain to improve your posture. Keep you standing up nice and tall. Good job. Okay, stand on up. We're gonna go into jump squats. Just right here like this, jumping. If you don't wanna jump, you could take out the jump, modify it for yourself. Here we go. But it is just 20 seconds, so I want you to give it your absolute all, okay? So take up those reps, jump a little higher, breathe, and whatever you do, just keep going. So I'm gonna show you your next one. You're
You're gonna come all the way up. You're gonna swing through your hands like that, okay? Use your core to keep your hips off of the ground. Whew. It's pretty challenging, but really, really stay up. Push the floor away and up. Nice. We're gonna shoulders, the triceps, the core to lift you up. Okay, back into those lunge jumps. Squat jumps. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I want you to give it your all. Go as fast as you can. Jump higher, squat deeper. Let's go. Okay. For this next one, you can add a little tricep dip if you want to add some more challenge, okay? Here we go, a little tricep dip at the top, swing it back and up. Okay, I'm gonna show you your next one. Hands are gonna come down to the ground, and you're gonna try to kick your butt, go from side to side of your mat. Outside of the mat to the other side. Join me now. Woo. So these are some fun, playful moves that just allow you to move your body the way it's meant to be moved. Whew. And maybe you get a little air time at the top. That's good. Oh man, okay, double leg stretch. Come to your back, pull everything in, extend, pull it in. Let's go. Reach and in. This is a good time to catch your breath. So deep inhales, in and out through your nose. Back to those hops. Take a deep breath. These ones are a little tougher, but it's meant to challenge you, right? That's what you're here for. Get that heart rate up. Kick your booty. Really kick it up at the top. Side to side. And then keep your arms super duper straight, like stone pillars. Whew. Okay, come onto your back. Again, slow down that breath with your breath. When I take you slow, deep breaths. Good, reach and in. It's amazing what you can accomplish in just 12 minutes, right? You're gonna come out of this 12-minute workout a completely different person than when you started it. More energized, more body confident, accomplished. Okay, next one, mountain climbers. I'm sure you've done these before. Run it out, run it out. It's only 20 seconds, try not to stop, okay? Here we go, whole time. That's why I love these little short bursts, because then you can really sprint it out and give it your all. Keep breathing, keep your arms straight. A little faster now, a little faster. Woo. Okay, we've got our side plank, so lower down onto one side, all right? And we're gonna take knee to elbow, just like that. Let's go, in and out, in and out. Nice. Whew. Keep it up, keep those hips up. Stay strong in the elbow, and then we're going straight back into those mountain climbers. Okay. After this, we just have one more set. So we're getting there. Let yourself get a little uncomfortable. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Let's go, let's go. This is where you dig in. This is where you get stronger. This is where you build your endurance. Is when you get uncomfortable and you have to renegotiate in your mind over and over again. Okay, other side. Let's go. Elbow down. Keep those hips high. Elbow to knee. And let's go. In and up. In and up. Whew. Let's go. I feel every muscle in my body working right now. Don't you? Shoulders, triceps, obliques, thighs, glutes, heart rate. All right. Everyone's favorite, we're gonna do some burpees. So lower all the way down to the ground, stand up. I don't know where I'm starting. Here we go. Let's start here. Jump it up. Nice jump at the top. Let's go. And rest. Okay. Oblique twist. Come onto your back. We're just gonna do a nice twist right here. Okay? Here we go. Nice steady breath through the nose, in and out through the nose. This is it. This is where I want you to give a little bit more. Anything you've got left, this is where you give it. You know, if you can give a little more. All right. Last round, this is it. Burpees, oblique crunch, and you are done. Let's go. One more in, get one more in. All the way. All right. Let's come down. And then if you want to add a straight leg, go ahead and do that, okay? I'm gonna add straight legs, and I'm gonna add a little pointer finger here, just to take it up a notch. Because this is our last 20 seconds. Give it all you got. Breathe. You're doing amazing. Whew. I'm so proud of you for being here and just getting it in and taking care of your body. Oh man. Whew. All done. Congratulations. Before you go, if you know that you're someone who's struggling to stay consistent in your workouts and you know that this is keeping you from having the body and confidence that you deserve, you might be struggling with something called a lack of accountability, which is exactly why I created my Stretchy Fit app, to give you that structure and accountability so that you can succeed in your goals. Inside, you're gonna find customizable workout plans, a daily workout schedule, progress tracking, tools to keep you accountable, recipes, and the amazing Stretchy Babe community who are literally crushing their goals every single day. So if you're ready to upgrade yourself because you're worth it and you want to give yourself the chance to succeed and take your fitness to the next level, then try my app absolutely risk-free for 7 days. After that, it's just $9.99 a month. That's like the price of a smoothie, and you are definitely worth that. So click the link below. Join me now. I'll see you inside. Bye.